Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change your background color in Canva. So let's get started. So the first step is to go to canva.com website. Alright, so once you're here, let's just create a blank project, and then let's get a photo. Okay, so we have a photo over here. So I'm going to remove this. Alright, so as you can see, we have this photo and our background color is green right now. If you want to change your background color, all you have to do is select this color over here, and on the left hand side you can see the background color option. Click over here, and here you can customize your color according to your choice, and you can even select the gradients as well. And there you go. That is how you can change your background color in Canva. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.